Welcome to Use Formula Fields. In this module, we'll dive into the world of formula fields within Salesforce, a powerful tool for controlling how your data is displayed. By the end of this unit, you'll be proficient in creating custom formula fields using the formula editor, understanding the usefulness of formula fields, and outlining various use cases for these dynamic fields. Picture this. Your organization holds a wealth of data, and your users need to access and comprehend it instantly. Enter formula fields, your key to presenting data in a way that's both intuitive and insightful. Let's consider a scenario. Imagine you want to calculate the days left until an opportunity's close date. With a simple formula field, you can automate this calculation, making key information readily available on the opportunity page layout, reports, and list views. Now, let's familiarize ourselves with the formula editor. It comes in two flavors, simple and advanced. While simple may seem enticing, we highly recommend the advanced editor for its expanded capabilities in creating powerful formulas. The formula editor provides tools such as the Insert Field button for selecting fields, the Insert Operator button for mathematical and logical operators, and the Functions menu for more complex operations. Don't forget the text area where you compose your formula. When working with formulas, syntax errors are inevitable. Use the Check Syntax button to debug your formulas. It identifies specific issues, such as missing parentheses, incorrect parameter types, or incompatible data types. Debugging formulas becomes smoother with the syntax checker. Whether it's mismatched parentheses, incorrect parameter types, or incompatible data types, the checker guides you to resolve these common issues. Let's explore a few more examples. Create a hyperlink to an external website, apply a discount to an opportunity amount, or craft a checkbox formula determining whether an opportunity is big. The possibilities are vast, and Salesforce documentation offers numerous examples for various use cases. Go to the Setup icon and click Setup. A new page will load. After that, go to Object Manager and quick Find. You will find Contact, then click on Contact. It will take you to the Contact Detail page. On the left sidebar, click on Fields and Relationships. There, click on the New button for Custom Field Creation for Contact. Now, select Formula as data type and click Next. After that, give field label as account number. The field name will be auto-populated. Now select formula return type as text and click Next. Now, in the Enter formula, insert a field and select for contact, then account, and lastly account number. Then click Insert, check for syntax. If the syntax is correct, it will return no error. Click Next. Again, click Next. And lastly, click Save. Click App Launcher and search for Contact. Click on Contacts. It will load to the Contacts page. Click on the contact name. Now go to Contact Details. Scroll down and there you will find the new account number field. Congratulations! You've written your first formula. Go to the Setup icon. Click Setup button. It will load Setup page. In the Setup page, go to Object Manager. Quick Find for Opportunity. Click Opportunity. In the left bar, go to the Fields and Relationships. Click on the New button. Now select the data type formula. Proceed to Next. Give field label as days to close. The field name will be auto-populated. Now select formula return type as number and click Next. Click Insert Field, click Opportunity, close date, and click Insert. Now, add minus, giving space by the close date. In the Functions, scroll down and use the Today function. Check for syntax. If there is no error, click on Next. Again, click Next and save it. Now, quick find for days to close. You will find new custom field as days to close. Go to the app launcher and search for Reports. Click on Reports. There, click New Report button. Choose report type as Opportunities and click Continue. Now, toggle on the button Update Preview automatically. In the left bar groups, add group days to close. Now select it and click All Time. It will load updated reports. Now save and run and save it as New Opportunities Report. It will save and show the notification that Report New Opportunities Report was saved. Go to the Setup icon, click the Setup button. It will load the Setup page. In the Setup page, go to Object Manager. Quick Find for User. Click User. In the left bar, go to the Fields and Relationships. Click on the New button. Now, select the data type formula. Proceed to Next. Give field label as Unique Users. The field name will be auto-populated. Now select Formula Return Type as Number and choose decimal places to 0. Click Next. In the Unique Users, Number field, add 1 and check for syntax. If there is no error, click on Next. Again, click on Next. Deselect Add field, then save it. Now, quick find for unique users. You will find a new custom field as Unique Users. In the Reports left bar groups, add group. In group columns, find unique users. Now select it and it will add unique users as a column. Now summarize it as sum. Click Save and Run, and it will show the notification that the Report New Opportunities report was saved. As you can see, even simple formulas provide powerful insights into your organization. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.